Hello creative friends, it's Eugenia from Art Meltemi's Atelier, and as I said in my previous video, I've got a few videos and sketches that I've made at my last trip in Greece. Now it's almost time to go again, and I haven't posted them because I had to do a voiceover. It's my home there, it's small, and when I'm painting I cannot really talk because it's always noise at the background. I cannot go and hide. And so I just do my painting and my video, and then I have to do the voiceover. So probably that's why I haven't sit down when I came back to do it and post it to you. But yeah, I think it's about time to put those videos on air because I'm gonna be going soon again. I'm gonna have another lot. So today we're gonna be making this little deer. Oh dear. Yeah, almost monochromatic, and yeah, it goes back to the 9th of January 24. Great. Okay, let's see how I made it. Also, I will include the little sketch at the description below if you wish to use it for reference. Hello creative friends, it's Eugenia from Art Maltemi's Atelier, and today we're going to talk for a little idea that I've made at the beginning of the year in Greece. That's why I have to do a voiceover because my place there is small and very noisy. I couldn't find a quiet time to talk to you. So yeah, I did the voiceover. Finally, I managed to do it. So I'm using it's a little sketch on my traveling sketchbook. It's a Strathmore one. I'm going to post a video how I put it together, all my traveling kit. I've got my 36 Mugello paints with me, but I'm using only one. It's basically a monochromatic, almost monochromatic subject. I'm using burnt ombers and probably a little bit Payne's grey for the shadows. My traveling kit, actually, it was really convenient. So I put it together for my plein air when I'm overseas, but finally I will start using it all the time, even indoors. It's got my palette, it's got my 2 jars of clean water. I can attach all my colors, my tin with all my colors on there, and yeah, that's basically all I needed. The sketch, it's I got the reference from a photo at the group at Facebook I am, so I cannot attach the actual photo, but I have attached the sketch. So if you feel like printing it, use it for reference, or just print it and start painting, please feel free to do that. So I just started. It's in 5x7, so it's a small area. So I'm working on with dry on dry technique. It is more. It gives me more control when I'm doing especially small paintings like that. I started with the deer, and then I moved on to the background. Basically, just working out the lighter areas and the darker, the shadow areas, and that was all. I used a little bit of white gouache for the highlights, And pretty much that's it. It was an easy subject. It only took me half an hour real time to do it. Um, and I decided to have a very loose background. So with the background, I used a dry on dry technique, which means I put clear water first at the background and then I start dropping some paint. And after, as I moved on to the more onto the painting, I kept the brighter areas at the background, and added some more darks for the as I was going on for the foliages and the grains. I've actually used also my made brush that I have for the foliage and the grains, the grass. I have a video how to make it. It's pretty simple. If you have like an old brush that it's not hasn't hold its shape anymore, don't throw it. Just add a little bit of masking fluid, let it dry, make sure that it's not all the bristles stuck together. Let them dry a little bit, separated as much as you can, and that will give you an irregular shape brush that it will be perfect for making grass or even fur. And that was it. Very simple, very fast, and hope you give it a try. You enjoy it, and if you like this quick little video, please don't forget to give me thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed, please consider to do so. So that's it for now. I'm just putting some splatters with uh, on with an old toothbrush and white gouache, just to create a little bit of the the atmosphere of maybe snow or something like that. Um, and that was it. Thank you very much for watching me. Hopefully we'll see you soon at my next video. Until then, be happy, be creative, and keep painting. Bye for now.